Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane highlights important decisions made in today's expert committee meeting. Vishwajit Rane took to social media and said the following: The state of Goa has one of the highest per capita testing. We are working towards increasing RT-PCR testing capacity to 3.5k per day. Both anti-DH and HCDH will have RT-PCR machines. The purchase committee will be taking a decisions to procure the RT-PCR machines with open-ended platform for kits so that variable cost of the kits can be reduced. Our target is to build in-house capacity to test the UK strain. Our past experience have taught us that in-house committee reduces delay and facilitates quick action. So far, 38 out of 976 travelers have tested positive. The UK strain patients will be treated at ESI hospital. Tourists are coming to the state as they consider Goa safe. We want tourism to sustain and businesses to thrive. However, this has to be done keeping in mind the safety of the people. Expert committee will recommend for strict action against hotels or businesses violating COVID SOPs. They have also advised for a hike in fine for not wearing mask. Home isolation outreach in the state is greater than 99% and we are the only state providing free COVID medication. Dry run for vaccination under the guidance of MOH, FW and UNDP has begun. I would like to inform all the citizens that Goa is well equipped with the entire cold chain infrastructure and manpower administer COVID-19 vaccine. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.